In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain on Payhip. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Payhip account and how to connect a domain you already own so your store looks professional and on brand. First, sign into your Payhip account and head over to your dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, customers, and store settings. Once you're in, glance up at the top navigation bar and locate the store option. This is where Payhip keeps all the tools related to how your storefront looks and how it's reached on the web. Go ahead and click Store. On the Store page, find and open the Domain section. This is the dedicated area for domain management, and it's where you'll connect a domain you've purchased from any domain registrar. Choose Connect Existing Domain. This tells Payhip that you already own a domain and simply want to point it to your Payhip store. You'll now see a field where you can enter your domain. Type the domain you plan to use, whether that's the root domain like example.com or a subdomain like shop.example.com. Keep it clean. No HTTP, HTTPS, or slashes, just the domain itself. If you're unsure whether to use the root or a subdomain like shop or store is a common, tidy choice that keeps things organized. Click. Continue. Payhip will get ready to check the connection. On the next screen, click Verify Connection. This verification step confirms that your domain is correctly pointing to Payhip. If everything is already set up at your domain provider, the connection should verify quickly. If it doesn't verify right away, don't worry. This usually means your DNS settings still need time to update, or they haven't been added yet. DNS changes can take a while to propagate across the internet, sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours, though it's often much faster. If verification doesn't pass, review the guidance Payhip shows on that page. Typically, you'll need to ensure your domain or subdomain points to Payhip using the recommended DNS record type. After updating your DNS with your domain provider, come back to Payhip and click Verify Connection again. Avoid rapid repeated checks. Give it some time between attempts to let the changes take effect. Once verified, your custom domain will be connected to your Payhip store, and visitors can reach your storefront at your chosen address. Payhip will handle the secure connection automatically, so your store loads over HTTPS without extra setup. That's all there is to it.